Going on a stroll and those people are getting very irritated
लौटेंगे ऊपर से, ठीक है?
So let's go. Done with the journey. Now we're heading outside to the Innova. I'm not riding the Innova because everyone has gone at least once without any kind of kids. So I deserve to go once because in the car that you are 24/7 with the kid. Glued to it. This guy has irritated me by saying da 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 much da. So yeah, so Ishu and Arnav were sitting beside me, and whenever any kind of pin bend was there, they used to be like, woo! And I used to be like, jeez dude, can't you just be normally? Yada. Why da? मेरे को आइसक्रीम नहीं डा, मुझसे एक्सीडेंट नहीं होता. Okay. Now I'm eating ice cream.
गाड़ी में तुम चढ़िए ना. कोई बच्चा पार्टी गाड़ी में चढ़ा? ये चलेगा. कौन सी चढ़ा? आपकी बात करेगा.
I had a really good plan to sit where I wanted to, but apparently now I have 3 kids, 2 actually, and 1 Gen Z person. So now again Ishu will fall on me on the pin bend, and then I'm gonna die as usual. I wish I went in that one. But then the plant suffered like 3 to 4 times. So what can I do? It was not. So it was not even 60 seconds, and we all just had to stop for some purpose, and that's really sad. Apparently there is another drama. Actually 2 more dramas. One is my mom and Arnav, one is Mausi and Ishu. Mausi and Ishu is like well known. The first one you would have guessed it. But then my mom and Arnav's crying for some other purpose because I don't know. And Ishu is crying because she ate 2 ice creams even though she has severe cold, which is not really that severe. And I can see one more ice cream vending machine, so so yeah. I'm just following these people. And Niku Mama has not stopped Dada. Got the best Amitabh Bachchan seat, head of the house seat. I'll sit here, and everyone's just like that. I'm sitting in front of my mom and all those people there, if you can see them. So yeah. Yo. Guys, we're basically checking the menu, which is basically on the other side of the table, so I need to give my Amitabh Bachchan seat. Okay, but I'm just gonna go and sit on the answer. Yeah, no really cares about
ठीक है ना, तो ये लोग का कर देते हैं पनीर बटर मसाला चलेगा.
that. No chicken.
वेज खाने वाले. अच्छा भैया.
So guys, now Ishu बहुत गुस्सा है क्योंकि उसको खाने में बर्फ मार और आइसक्रीम मिलेगा और पानी पूरी मिलेगा क्योंकि ये सब चीज़ से वो गुस्सा है.
बेटा आज आप दिन भर आइसक्रीम खाओ. हर तरह का आइसक्रीम. ठीक है, अभी कौन सा फ्लेवर बचा हुआ है? मैं नहीं खाऊंगी.
Guys, so we got the plates right now. Everyone's just serving the plates. Now it has never happened to me that I was not craving the dish like while waiting for it. Okay, can you stop irritating me? But this first time I was not craving for the dish because I had such good entertainment. Everyone was consoling their kid, fighting them, hitting them. So I was just, damn, that's fun.
किसका प्लेट है?
That one looks tempting.
ठीक है, तो तुम वहाँ चले गई.
अच्छा.
हम लोग इधर की.
Okay guys, I have a update. जगह में update है, मैं उधर जाऊँगी. Upgrade, sorry. So,
देखो गाइस.
guys, बस हम लोग को अभी ये मिला है and रोटी आ ही नहीं रहा है. And it's been like a really long time. So yeah, we're just waiting. Kind of not waiting. This is not waiting. The only person who is waiting here is Sanjay Bhaiya.
And your papa.
हाँ. Guys, so it's like a win-win situation because firstly, it's a bacha free car. Secondly, there are active people, and I got the front seats.
बोले लेकिन नहीं.
Monu, how was your experience with the bacha load?
Was really good. Awesome.
Good. One was like damn irritated because of the kids. And I had really good whatever that was ride. Oh my god, I have a lot of cold. Yeah, you can see that. So let me think. So now we're at Thakurgaon again. So I'm not gonna film much because I have already done a lot of filming like in the previous vlog. So watch that if you want to. And that's pretty much it. Guys, so now I'm on top of this dune because I wanted to. I basically got tempted seeing these guys, so yeah. It looks such a beautiful place. Guys, so we're pretty much stuck in traffic. So apparently the other car, the Innova, reached first and then we were second. Apparently Nana has gone somewhere, like somewhere fun, not in a bad way, but yeah, with some chotan. So what's up people, welcome back. It's 24th today and we are going to Pitambra. So I am ready, not really ready, I just wore a jacket on top of my favorite shirt, what I'm wearing. I'm like more of a chill person. Ishu on the other hand is putting on makeup, she's wearing shorts, she's doing all the Manipuri things she did yesterday. And I'm being like, damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. So yeah, and Nana went to buy mutton after, you know, just like, firstly everyone was like, no, he's not going, he slept, he had some fight and everything. And then at last, finally, mutton has come and somebody's gonna cook it. Of course, we're not gonna eat it raw. Ha 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 ha. So, you get what I mean? Yeah. I know. We're going to Pitambra. Okay. उसको टैब देखना है. So, we're in the car and the car has a lot of space because Akshay did not come. He just wanted to watch his tab. So it's basically 5 people. Yeah. We're damn going.
He loves tab more than me.
We have chips and not sponsored and peda. It's nice. Guys, so that is the Kaleji ka Pahar. I've been wanting to go since I was, I don't know, what? That's so cool. Now there's one more like this, I guess. Yeah, there. I'll show you.
पूरा बरियातू में पहले छोड़कर हार्ड ड्रॉप करता था फिर हम लोग
हाँ देखो
ये क्या है
मेरा ड्रीम पर्वत. Guys, we're at Pitambra.
ये आँखों को यहाँ पर बांध दो.
Okay. Yes. मैं तो तुमको छोड़ देने वाली थी. It's our house, guys. This is one way. That is another way. Let's get in this house, guys. Hey, chappal pehen lo, Ishu. Ooh, this house is beautiful. तो 6 महीने जो वहाँ पे रहे थे, इधर भी आके 2-3 दिन रह लेते ना. So much space. अरे बाप रे, छिपकली विपकली सब है. हिलते हुए एक देखी मैं. अच्छा ये रांची का साइड है क्या? Okay, this room is quite big. Like this is like a fireplace, I guess. And then this is I don't know. And that's like a another bathroom which somebody opened, so I'm just gonna show it from here. And this is the other balcony. This is balcony which is attached to this green room. Oh, if we ever open a YouTube channel, देखो green screen. Yeah. And now this is the other balcony, and it's really beautiful, you know, honestly. There's a lot of sunlight and stuff, and look at how like tall it is. I like it. So this is our camera. When did we buy it, Mama?
When you were born.
Oh.
This was a gift for you.
Guys, we're gonna just be like strolling in the apartment, and we're gonna see all the good things there, and it's gonna be fun. This is kind of like a place where we all can play. Not me, I'm never gonna play here because, and I guess this is the generator and stuff, the meters and stuff. So I like that one. This is beautiful. This is the clubhouse, bro. So this is the mandir, bro. In this, bro, there is mandir, there is God, bro. Of course, bro. Then here also some community thing is there, bro. I don't know what is there, bro. If I go up, I'll show you, bro. But I have absolutely no idea what is there for now, bro. So that's me, bro. We're inside this da. Now we'll meet Bhagwan Ji da. Jai Bhagwan Ji, Jai Bhagwan Ji. Harvard में एक admission, Bhagwan Ji एक admission, please. Thank you in advance. Prayed to all the gods da. Now I'll go to up da. I mean my English is very bad da right now da because I have not. Oh हमारा mug da. My mama saw honeybee, so we are not going. We're back from Pitambara and we have reached. Guys, तो अभी बच्चा सबका मटन रेडी हो गया है. They just eat the cooker one. So flavorless mutton they're eating. And I will eat in the good mutton. अभी मटन सर्व हो रहा है, मटन बॉईल हो रहा है. I'll meet you after eating my mutton. Okay guys, तो अभी मैं दबा रही हूँ नाना का पैर. And ईशु अखी अर्नव देख रहे हैं वीर द रोबो बॉय. Guys, आज है 25th and आडम ने बॉल किक किया और वो नीचे गिर गया. तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ, मतलब बालकनी से नीचे गिर गया. तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि ये अर्नव आए मम्मा को बताया, तो मम्मा बोले जाओ नीचे से लेकर आओ. तो मैं अकेले कैसे जाएगा. तो ईशु बोली नहीं मैं जा रही हूँ इसके साथ मैं जा रही हूँ. तो दोनों नीचे भाग गए. अरे तुम दोनों एक पर एक और नीचे क्यों चले गए. उसके बाद अभी मैं उसके पीछे पीछे नीचे जा रही हूँ. एंड सिंस हाँ अरे तुम्हारा भाई आ रहा है उसके साथ चलो. आकी भी आ गया. जितना देर में हम लोग नीचे पहुंचेंगे ना उतना देर में अर्नव बॉल उठा के ऊपर भी आ जाएगा. ठीक है ना. Okay guys, so after being very persuasive, मौसी ने finally बनाया Manchurian and noodles. So you can see. चलो क्या कर रही हो मौसी.
मैं बना रही हूँ.
Okay, fine, चलो. Okay guys, तो अभी नानी को हो गया है लो बेसी 100 BP 101/63. I don't know what the numbers are, but I will tell you. Okay, तो अभी मौसी का चौमिन is going round and round between him and सब नानी को नमक पिला रहे हैं. So yeah, हाँ, this is the Manchurian.
Friends, आज हम एक नया ब्लॉग बनाने वाले, इस पूरे घर को मूवी थिएटर बनाने वाले हैं.
Yes, it's gonna be a movie night. का हम लोग कमीला कबैयो का नया मूवी आया है सिंड्रेला, जिसका 4.2 out of 10 रेटिंग है. But still we are watching because that's like the only good new movie. हाँ वो आएगा तो हम लोग खोल देंगे. तो हम लोग सारा लाइट वाइट ऑफ करें, पूरा उपद्रव करेंगे हम लोग. एंड यस. Okay guys, welcome back. So today is 26th and we're watching Sarah Joshi. And my dad is wearing that thing. I don't know what it is, but okay. So अभी हमारा डाइनिंग टेबल ट्रांसपोर्ट हो रहा है on high demand. हाँ?
Before entering this house, you have to ask for permission, okay? And when you see that we are in meeting, then you have to ask permission. So इशारा में बात करना है, लाइक ऐसे. May I come in? And then we will give you ishara to I will come in or not. Okay? So that is one thing. अंदर आने के बाद चुपचाप यहाँ पे 3 directions. Direction 1, Direction 2 and Direction 3. Okay? कोई भी हॉल में नहीं रुकेगा because this is like a traffic zone. Okay?
Guys, thank you so much for watching. Meet you in the next vlog. Then bye guys.